So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and make Claude AI a little bit faster. Now, doing this for the most part is pretty basic, and there's a couple different ways to do it. Number one, the first fastest way of kind of getting faster responses for the most part is when you're going through and typing things into Claude, you can switch it from a particular model to a different model. So there's a couple different ways to do it. Number one, if you come to the top, you have the option of choosing different types of models. So at the very top of the application, you can tap right over here and you can choose a different model. So if you want, instead of choosing this particular model 4.6, I could go through and choose 4.5, and that will basically change out this model for a different one. So I can basically do that and see if that ends up, kind of improving the speeds of my experience. I can also go through and just try clearing out this chat as well. So as you build out your Claude chat, the more and more text you have in that chat, the more baggage it basically has, and the more you're basically going to have to change it. So what I'd recommend doing here is to go through and just kind of like limit that chat or try to clear it out. So you can even export those contexts and maybe export it into one paragraph and have it pasted into a different chat. That can also help clean out a lot of those things as well. Now, if that's not working, another thing you might want to try doing too is to try updating your Claude application. If you're using the website, you can probably refresh it, but go inside of your app store, click on the update button to update Claude, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem as well, because chances are there's a very high chance that probably ends up fixing it too. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.